Hi guys, it's Crystal. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you guys how easy it is to make print and cut stickers for your planner with your Cricut. We're going to go ahead and shoot over to Cricut Design Space here in just a second, and I'm going to show you how easy it is, but I want to go ahead and quickly show you. See how cute these are, and this is how it's going to print. So I'm going to put it in fast forward motion as this is cutting, and then also while I'm applying these, and then we'll just kind of wrap it up. So you can see how awesome these are. They're easy to remove. If you were going to be selling these or giving them away as a gift, you could always trim off the outside as soon as this is done. So just trim all of this away after your Cricut has cut all your pieces out. But they come out really nice, and that I'm using for making my stickers. So it's the HP DeskJet. I think it's the DeskJet 3631. I'll have it linked down below. I'll try to include a picture somewhere in here. I have it designated solely for making my stickers. Now, if you were doing pictures or whatever, designate it solely for those purposes. So I have several printers, so this one is just for that. Now, these run around $40, $50. I look for it to say instant ink. So the way the instant ink works is you're going to sign up for a membership, whether it be $0 a month. You heard me right, $0 a month. I think $1, 99 cents, $2.99, all the way to $5, whatever. And each one will be X amount of prints. So the one that I signed up is for the $0 a month. I can only print 15 sheets a month. I don't print that many stickers. And like I said, I designated this for my stickers, or maybe I need a few prints. I can always print from there. So I can only print 15 prints a month. If I go over, it's like 5 cents a print or something like that. And it just charges my debit card. So 15 prints a month. Once I start to run out of ink, but before I do, automatically HP will ship me more ink. And I don't have to pay for it because I'm $0 a month. So in the mail, you'll get a box like this, and it will come with your ink inside. So whether it's black or the color. And if you're the $2.99, $5.99, whatever it is, you're going to get your ink. You're not going to pay for it except for that monthly fee. So since I'm doing the $0 a month, 15 prints, I'm never going to have to pay for ink again. And you know how expensive ink can get. So those are like $30, $40 each. So I just wanted to mention it while we were here, that it's definitely totally worth checking out the HP Insta Ink. Like I said, there is other printers from HP, but this one I know for sure. It's a real simple printer to use, and I've just designated it for my print and cut stuff. So even if it's not for a sticker, but you're doing a print and cut that maybe you're going to run through your laminator, or some paper that you're going to print out and run it through your Xyron Sticker maker. I have a different printer. I know it's crazy. I have one for sublimation. I have one for my stickers. And then I have one that solely prints the black and white that I use for making my, using with my laminator and stuff like that. So for doing foiling. But like I said, definitely check it out. I'll have the printer link down below that I'm using. I know 15 prints doesn't sound like that much, but for somebody like me, for sure, and it's rollover. So I don't know if it works for the $0 a month, but I know, like, say the $2.99 or $5.99, those roll over. And for $2.99, I think it's like I think it's like 50 prints or 100 prints. It's a lot for like $2.99. So it's amazing. It really, truly is. And like I said, they send you the ink before it runs out. And when you get it in the mail, you're just going to pop them in. Now, the first ink that your printer comes with, you're just going to use that first. You don't get charged for that. You can print it excess amounts. So even if I had a $5 plan or whatever it may have been, until I completely use the ink that the printer comes with, it doesn't work until I install these. So you don't have to worry about that. But if you'll use the link below, like I said, I'm not affiliated, but anybody can do this. So when you sign up, you'll get a link that you can share with your family and friends on Facebook or social media. And if they use it, you get some credits, I think, which really, I don't even know if I need the credits for, because it's $0 a month. But if I ever had maybe overage or anything like that, it would be a great time to be able to use that overage. So I get a few dollars or something like that if you use it. And like I said, I recommend you doing the same, because you could use it for overage as well. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to show you where I found these in Cricut Design Space, how I kind of sized them down, and then I'm going to show you loading it, cutting it, and all that stuff, and applying them. And that's pretty much it. All you need to do is come to Images, and then you're going to type in fall. I've already typed in fall, so you're just going to type that in. And these will be the first things that pop up. So you can see these are some cool new images right here. So these are the ones that I used today. So I use the umbrella, the rain, the fire, the sweater. But they have several more And then I used all of these cute ones here. So it says like Hello Autumn. These would be cute to make some bookmarks as well. Welcome Autumn, and then you got Stay Cozy, and finally Sweater Weather. I probably could have just did one of these, but I went ahead and did both of them. From here, all you're going to do is click on them. You can see where they turn green. I could keep clicking, and you're going to see down here. Then you'll see down here at the bottom, they're going to pop up. Now, if I clicked on something and I want to take it away, all I got to do is hit the exit, and it's going to take it back out. So once you do that, you're going to bring them in. But I'm going to go ahead and exit those, but you would bring them in right here. All right. So once you do that, they're going to come in much bigger than this. And the size that I did here was 2 inches. So I tried to go to the width here and stick with that 2 inch, and then it automatically changed these. Now you may actually want them probably around 1 inch if you're really wanting them to be a little bit smaller. They're just a really cute sticker, easy to make, and I really love the print and cut. So like I said, these are print and cut. They're already ready to go. You can see right here where it says cut and print. So after this, all you need to do is go to make it. Get to the screen here, you can see your black box right here, and then you can see where it's putting your 8.5 by 11 piece of paper on here. Now I'm going to use the Cricut sticker paper, but if you didn't have the Cricut sticker paper, you could always just use some copy paper. I highly recommend that you get the better copy paper from, say, Staples. I'll have a link down below. I recently discovered there is a better copy paper. I never really realized that, and it's much thicker. So I recommend doing that. Like I said, I'll leave a link down below, and then you can find something similar if you want to, or snag it at your local Staples. I think you can also get it on Amazon. And then you can run it through your Xyron sticker maker and create some stickers like that. So we'll try both of these. So at this point here, you don't need a mirror or anything like that. You're gonna hit continue. I'm gonna hit send to printer, and then you're gonna see my printer pop up here, and then I'm going to go ahead and hit print.
You're a lonely sailor, and your soul is made of wind and rain, doubts and blame. I'm a weary pirate, and my heart is made of dust and grain, and spoiled champagne. I've got troubles, I've got sins, I'm my worst enemy, but I've still got a lot to give. So I said, hey, don't you wanna come and run away with me? Hey, won't you come and say by chance, don't you want a man who fully understands a sailor's heart, a sailor's heart.
So I hope you guys enjoyed checking out how easy it is to make these stickers. You guys can see I just kind of popped them here and there. Now this may be you're working on 1 month, you're not ahead of time, and that's fine, but I wanted to go ahead for video purposes. I was just kind of popping some here and there so you guys could see how they just kind of apply. I really like them. The color comes out really pretty, and I just really enjoy the sticker paper. It's really thick. You can see on the back it's got like a plasticky feel, so it's like their newer backing, so it's not going to tear. You could also use the green mat with this, so you can use the blue or the green mat. But I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please hit the like button down below and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.